taping now?
That's a Maurice.
Elijah. That wasn't very nice.
Whoa! Whoa! All right, time to settle down. It's time to settle down. Okay, no more. I'll let you blow me away tomorrow. Okay? You can blow me up tomorrow.
You're goofy.
All right.
Who are you? Elijah, who are you? You're the big bad wolf?
You're the big bad wolf.
Oh, I need to call Steve back.